What is up, people of YouTube? I'm making another video. It's been forever. Got some work to do on the Civic. The rear sway bar bushing mount is broken. I hear it like ching 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 back there. So that's what I'm gonna work on. I went ahead and bought some jack stands. Yeah, I need those. I don't know where mine are, so if any of my friends out there know, let me know. And then I got some PB Blast, because I know those bolts and nuts underneath there are rusted, and a vice grip, just in case I need to hold on to something tight. So let's go ahead, jack this thing up, and get to work. All right, time to jack her up. All right, that feels like it's at its max. Now, time for the jack stands. There she is. All right, there she is, jacked up on both sides. Got 2 jack stands and 2 jacks holding up for protection. I'm gonna take the wheels off now. I'll put the wheels underneath the car too to kind of give some added support just in case, but next, let's take the wheels off. All right. All right, guys, we're back for an update. So I got the wheels off. I got the impact to take off the bottom one, but it was super hard. One of the freaking things snapped. So here, I'll show you the other side. This is the problem area. This is the side that was clinking. You can kind of see it's all rusted there. Let's see, can you see in here? Here, you can see this side. Look, that thing came off. So I'm guessing I'll get like vice grips in there, hold that tight. I'm gonna PB blast it again, and everything else looks good. Sway bar is just kicking it. End links, how the end links look. And they're end links, they're doing their job. All right, well, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna get this thing off. I think I'm gonna PB blast it again and then try to take it off. So I'll update you guys in a minute. Cool. All right, YouTube, I got it. Check it out. So that was the guy that rusted off the weld off the car. Used vice grips and I got it off. That was the bolt. Right now they're soaking in some PB Blast. All right, let that soak. Then I'm gonna put the new hardware on. New hardware is over here. So we got new bushings and new whatever mounts. Alrighty, it's been a lot longer than I expected, but we're getting there, baby. We're getting there. All right. Took off the bushing. This is the old one. It's all rusted. This one's not too bad. The other one's gone. Completely gone, but I can tell like I must have hit a big bump or something, and I mean these things are rusted, nasty rusted. Oh, there's a little bit of the original color. Well, this one held out. This is the passenger side. Driver's side's completely gone, somewhere on the highway, I guess. So now let's see if I can get on here for you. All right, so I got the new mounts and bushings on there. Just waiting for the bolts to get PB blasted so that they get back on here nicely. We're almost there. We're on the assembly part. All right. Okay. We got the new brackets on over here. Let's focus. Focus. New brackets on there. New bracket on over there. She's tight. It was a B word, but we're good now. She is going to be handling perfect now. All right, time to put the wheels back on. All right. All right, and that is it. We are done. She is all tightened up. Wheels are on. Sway bar is all fixed. Yeah, that was a lot longer than I expected. Overall, let's see. I don't know what I could have done to, save it. Progress, rear sway bar, aftermarket. The mounts rusted off and fell. I don't know what to tell you. Sorry, guys. Progress, reach out to me, Give me my money back. Just kidding. All right, that's it for today. Peace.